Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. I have a Rocksbox I'm excited to share with you, and I also have an outfit of the day, and we're going to do this in under 5 minutes or I'm going to be late for work. My name is Theresa. Thank you so much for being here. Now let's get right into it. So let's zip through the boring part. Rocksbox is a jewelry subscription service. Your stylist sends you 3 pieces of jewelry that you can either borrow in exchange for additional pieces to borrow, or if you really love something, purchase it outright. They come in this bubble mailer. This is the same mailer that you're going to send anything back you don't want. You do get a postage paid label to slap on there so that postage is free in both directions. They come in this adorable little box. I've never kept all 3 pieces, but I'm thinking that if you do, you might get to keep this box, but I won't know until I actually ever keep 3. And each of your pieces, oops, right on the floor. Each of your pieces come in a little jewelry bag. So we have our pricing list, and let's go ahead and just do things in complete opposite order and look at the pricing first. Why not? Let's mix it up. Wow, these 3 pieces come to a total of $147. Let's let that sink in for a minute. I have a bracelet by Rudiment for $68, a pair of earrings by Ava Rose for $55, and a pair of earrings by Perry Street for $34. So now that I know the pricing, maybe I can keep my head on straight when I look at the pieces and not fall too in love with something that's too expensive. Now, full disclosure, I love the presentation of Rocksbox. Even though I think some of the pieces are a little overpriced, I must say they do a good job with the presentation. The box is adorable with a little ribbon, pretty little tissue paper, a little sticker that says yay. So let's get right into it. I already removed the first item out of the cute little bag that it came in, and this is the Perry Street earrings, and these are the most reasonably priced thing in the box. They are a gold tone. They're about 3.5 inches long, I would guess. I really like the style of these and the length. I have ridiculously thick hair, so any small earrings just get lost in the cloud of hair that I have. You'll notice the earrings I have on right now are quite long, so this is a style I gravitate toward. I really don't have anything else like this. They have a standard shepherd's hook, I believe that's called, with clear stoppers to keep them on the ears. I am going to insert close-ups and the full name and the pricing on the screen as well. But let me know in the comments down below what you think of these. So another gray pouch, another pair of earrings. These are the ones by Ava Rose. They are $55. And I can tell you that these are a good bit heavier than the first pair that I just showed you by Perry Street. These have a beautiful turquoise color. They have a textured feel. It almost feels like they're mosaic. They may be built that way. They also have the standard shepherd's hook on the back with the little clear stoppers. And I do really like these. I wear blue and turquoise a lot. Typically when I wear these colors, I will wear silver tone jewelry, and these are a gold tone. I do wear both metals, but my first thought is these would be prettier in silver tone. But let me know what you think of these. And the final little gray pouch, and this is the item I was afraid I would get overly attached to. This is the bracelet that is $68. It is gold tone. It has the adjustable sliders that make it easy to put it on and off. It's that evil eye design that I'm always drawn to. I like anything mystical. I really need to know what you think about this bracelet. I may need you to talk me off the cliff with this one, but $68 sounds a little bit crazy to me for this one. So let's go through the outfit of the day. The earrings that I have on were a clearance rack find at Boscov's maybe a year ago. I'm sure that I didn't pay more than $5 or $6 for these. The cardigan that I have on has zebras on it. I got this at New York & Company. I was drawn to the yellow color, and actually from across the room I saw that it was black, white, and yellow, and I thought, perfect. And I got closer and noticed that it has zebras on it. Now, I typically don't buy cutesy clothes with animals or kittens or rainbows, but something about this just really drew me in, and especially since it was on a clearance rack for $6 or $7. And I thought if I never even wore it, I was going to try it. And it turned out that I really do like this cardigan. So the sleeveless shell that I have on is also from New York & Company, and it's a black and white polka dot. It has kind of a chiffon in the front and a comfortable t-shirt knit in the back. I can wear this with a number of pops of color, but I especially like it with this cardigan, and they were nowhere near each other in the store. They weren't meant to go together, but I really liked the pattern play with the two of them, so I went with it. The jeans that I have on are from Express, and they are called the mid-rise legging. So they fit like a skinny. I'm pretty short. I'm only 5'4", and so I have to cuff them a couple of times. Unless I have them in tall boots, then they wouldn't show at all. But because I wanted to wear a bootie, I cuffed them twice to make them the length that they are in the video. And the shoes that I have on, I literally just took these out of the box. I ordered these from QVC, and I'll actually put the order number below. I have nothing to do with QVC. They have no idea who I am. I'm just a regular person that likes to buy things from QVC. But I really like the cutout laser detail. Thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day to spend with me. I truly appreciate it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and also consider hitting that subscribe and notification bell. That way you'll see my future videos. I gotta get to work. Until next time, bye guys.